How to recover a Roblox account without email or phone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you recover a Roblox account without using your email or phone number. So let's get started. As you know, to recover your Roblox account, you need to authorize by your email or phone number. Instead of you have lost your email or phone number, to recover your account without using that, the only one way is recovering through Roblox support team. For that, open any browser. After you open browser, in the source field, search for Roblox contact support. Now from here, simply tap on Roblox support. And from this interface, on the section contact us, provide your username, first name, email address that you have lost or you have not accessed, confirm the email address, and on the section issue details, select your device type like PC, Mac, Chromebook, iPhone, iPad or Android. After that, on the section help category, select your category on account hacked or can't login. After that, you'll have to explain your problem briefly on the section. Please describe your issue. Like here, you'll have to explain your problem. I can't access my Roblox account because I no longer have the email or phone number linked to it. After that, you'll have to request to recover your account and update it with a new email. For that, you'll have to also provide your account details like old username, process history if needed. After you made a request to Roblox support team, they will reply within 24 to 48 hours. After that, they will provide some guidelines to recover your account. And from there, you'll be able to recover your Roblox account. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.